Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Snyder and this is Mrs. Snyder's tips for taking the PSSAs. So if you're watching this recording, you are a student who is going to be taking the PSSAs this school year with ISPA. I've put together some information for you and also some test taking tips. So who takes the PSSAs and what are they? All students in grades 3 through 8 take the PSSAs. At ISPA, the PSSAs begin April 15th. You have received an email detailing when and where you need to go to take the PSSA test. Please check your email for all PSSA related information and instructions. That's super important. PSSA stands for Pennsylvania System of School Assessment. It provides students, parents, and educators an understanding of student and school performance. Every student in grades 3 through 8 is assessed in English language arts and mathematics. If you are in grades 4 or 8, you are also assessed in science. All right, tip number 1, get a good night's sleep. Yes, you can prepare for the PSSAs the night before. Please make sure that you get a full night of rest so you feel your best on test day. Tip number 2, eat breakfast and bring a snack. Have you ever heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, it's true. Getting a bite to eat in the morning before you arrive to the PSSAs will help you feel more energized. It's also a good idea to pack a snack and a drink to tie you over while you're testing. Tip number 3, dress comfortably. Make sure to wear something you are comfortable in. For some of us, this might be jeans and a nice top. For others, it might be athletic pants and a t-shirt. Whatever you choose to wear, make sure it's appropriate for school and comfortable to be sitting in while you test. Dressing in layers will help you not feel too hot or too cold depending on your test site. Tip number 3, relax. While this is easier said than done, it's important to remember that we are all in the same boat. We are all meeting each other for the first time in a new place and preparing to take a test. Try to rest assured that the ISPA staff at your site will do everything they can to make sure everyone is comfortable. Tip number 5, just breathe. If you are feeling nervous, anxious, or having trouble staying focused during the PSSAs, try these simple techniques to calm your nerves and help you stay present. Try taking a deep breath in, holding it, and letting a big breath out. Try this 5 times to stay relaxed. Another tip, notice 5 things around the room. Something that you smell, a sound that you hear, a feeling maybe of your chair that you're sitting on, things like that to help you stay present in the moment. Another tip, clench your hands into fists and clench your feet in your shoes. Hold for a few seconds and release. Do this a few times until you feel your whole body relax. Tip number 6, take your time. Make sure you take your time completing each section of the test to the best of your ability. You have as much time as you need and want to work at a good pace. Tip number 7, try your best. You can write in your test booklet and on the scratch paper we provide you. Take your time working out your answers. When you are confident you have the right answer, make sure to bubble your answers neatly in the answer booklet with no stray marks. Tip number 8, check your work. Always go back through your test booklet and answer booklet to make sure you have answered all of the questions. You can always leave an answer blank that you are unsure of and go back and work through it before moving on to the next section. Try those tough questions. There's no need to rush. Tip number 9, raise your hand. It's okay to quietly raise your hand and wait for an ISPA staff member to come over to you. You might need a restroom break, a new sharpened pencil, or have a question. Please remember that we want to stay as quiet as we can while we test, but if you need something, please ask. We will help you the best way we can. Tip number 10, you got this. All of your hard work throughout this school year can be put to good use during the PSSAs. You can show what you know. If you don't know something, remember that's okay. The PSSAs are just a measure of what you have learned so far. Keep these tips in mind and you're ready. Bonus tip. This could be fun. Serious test-taking strategies aside, this is a great time of year when students, families, and ISPA staff come together. We are all so excited to spend some time with you face to face. If you're lucky, you'll get to meet one of your teachers or make a new friendship with a classmate. We can't wait to see you.